Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello, future Ghoul mains. In this video, I will explain how to play the Ghoul in Dead by Daylight. The Ghoul, also known as Kenkanki, is a fantastic killer with incredible mobility. His unique power, called One-Eyed Terror, lets him traverse the map quickly and engage survivors with surprising speed. We'll dive into how to best utilize his abilities to dominate the trials and secure those sacrifices. The Ghoul's primary ability is the Kagyun Leap. You can charge and launch your Kagyun tentacles to quickly pull yourself across the map, covering significant distances. It's a fantastic tool for closing gaps and catching survivors off guard. By chaining 2 leaps, you can perform a grab attack on a healthy survivor, inflicting a Kagyun mark and activating your powerful enraged mode. This mode gives you 3 leaps and much faster vaulting, making you incredibly dangerous. The Ghoul comes with 3 unique perks to enhance his playstyle. Hex, Nothing But Misery activates after 8 basic attacks, hindering survivors. Forever Entwined boosts your interaction speeds by 4% for each token, up to 8. Finally, None Are Free blocks windows and pallets for 16 seconds per token once all generators are completed, making the end game incredibly challenging for survivors. These perks truly help you keep the pressure on throughout the match. To play the Ghoul effectively, focus on getting into enraged mode as soon as possible. Use your Kagyun Leap to quickly traverse the map and initiate chases. Remember, the grab attack from your second leap has a generous hitbox, allowing you to hit survivors even over some obstacles. Keep survivors injured and hooked to build up your perk tokens, especially for the powerful end-game effect of None Are Free. Constant pressure and smart use of your mobility are key to victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.